Okay, is it recording? Oh, get in here. Get in here.
I'm in here.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm just gonna make faces for now. Oh, and speak very loudly so the microphone can hear us. Alright.
So Brian tried to convince me to play Hotel 66.
Why not? It's fun.
I saw a video on YouTube how they had this girl looking at a mirror and then she looked at the camera and the reflection's like, this is the camera. And then some barbecue.
Learn you have to say hi though. Say,
Hi.
Speak louder so the microphone can hear you.
Hello. I hope they hear me.
Oh, well, that's learning, and she's awesome, and we're at her house.
Okay, what are we doing?
We're
making a video.
Yeah, just making a video.
Okay. Yeah.
So, Lenny wants us to eat her food or something.
Yeah, barbecue. Plus some chicken noodle soup. I'm planning to go home soon. Oh, okay. But Ryan can take me.
Well, I have to take you home.
Take me back.
Oh, but then it'll be weird just me coming back to eat your food. Oh, if you didn't hear that, it'd be weird if I just came back to eat her food, you know?
My food.
Food. Hey, we should all open our mouths like in sequence. So, when you start it.
Whoa. It's like the counting game.
What kind of game?
You know when you go like 1 and then someone goes 2 and then if you say at the same time.
Oh, that one's hard.
Yeah, so it's like the nothing. Wow. I don't mean to be lost. Okay, wait, no. Yay!
Don't lick my no.
Is it clean? It's clean now. Oh, it's clean now.
So fresh and so clean.
Okay. Picture. There's a peace sign this way.
This is peace. No, this is peace. This is bad. Very bad. Or wait, what is it?
Here.
Right. Well,
I think I 3 hour nap.
she is sleepy. Why so
Sleepy!
yeah, support us on Wednesday.
On Wednesday, where? What? Why?
Studio.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fine.
I think it's $2 admission.
Okay.
$2 admission, and it's at 4.
Wait, I might not be. Yeah, might not.
Will Trina go? Trina, can you go?
I don't know.
I don't know, but yeah, support us because apparently some of the votes come from the audience members themselves.
Really? It'll be like American Idol. I like you, and then how
yeah, it'll be a popularity contest.
Wait, how do you know? How do they know? Is there like a paper?
I don't know.
We should have a paper.
Because that's what the thing is, like get your friends and family there.
Maybe we should text you. Brian and Felicia won.
How many texts? 1 million texts. Oh yeah.
20 people voted. That meant 20 billion people voted.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should say a little prayer for you.
Forever.
I give you my heart and I will love you forever and ever. Alright.
Gay. G-A-Y.
G-A-E.
No.
Not gay.
E-Y. Just kidding. S-P-R-A-I-G-H.
Hmm?
Question. Is that a question? On the yeah. Oh, on the bottom.
I feel my head.
Okay. Is that the other question if we watch it? No.
Right? No, yeah, this is how it looks like on our thinking. Just move it into the mirror.
Yeah, that question mark goes this way.
Well, it's like it'll.
No. Okay, wait. Now I forgot how to do a question mark. No, it's for you is this way. It's the other way. It should be the other way. Yeah. See, I thought so. Okay.
Is that? Alright, so yeah.
Yeah.
We're not bored.
No. Yeah. So we were just talking. Okay, we should talk about something very important. Like the person who was talking. Okay, when I was at the airport and I got out, I was really cute because this lady was like 2 little kids. They looked like 2 little girls, but the boy didn't have really long hair. Anyway, little boy comes out, he's like, it was a roller coaster, mommy, a roller coaster. I say, okay, honey. And then later I was like, oh, he thought it was like a roller coaster, but later I realized he's like, mommy, airplanes don't exist. They're roller coasters. He was so convinced. Like, they don't exist, mommy. They don't. I was like, honey, they do exist. And then he's like, no, they don't, mommy. It was a roller coaster. And then, yeah, finally she's just like, okay, honey, whatever, okay.
The roller coaster. Terminal.
I don't know. And then the luggage just started being spewed out, and it's like, see, somebody's in there throwing them.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you took a plane up here?
Yeah.
You have a nice flight?
This one dude kept talking to me. He
What?
was very enthusiastic. Well, he just
Mm-hmm.
he was just like, I don't
Oh, yeah, this one, when I came back from New York, yeah, there was a guy, and, like, he was, like, it was me and my mom. Actually, I look at the camera.
No.
Alright, no.
Talk
No,
to the camera, though.
Alright, so, yeah, so me and my mom were getting onto the plane, and we're about to go to our seats, and, like, there's this guy, like, here's the three, right, here's the three seats, and here's the window, so then, here's my mom in my seat, and there's this guy sitting here, and, like, he's, like, taking up this entire space, and we're trying to, like, oh, can you, like, my mom thought he was being, like, really rude, just sitting there, and, like, we're trying to get in, and he's just sitting there, like, he didn't want to get up, because he was lazy, but then it turned out that he was paralyzed from the hip down, so, like, oh, oh, okay, but then he started talking about stuff, and he's like, oh, yeah, oh, well, like, well, exactly, he had a southern accent, it was interesting, he was white. That's right. I mean, I'm not racist. I'm not racist.
Racist.
I'm not racist. I'm not racist. And well, so then he kept talking to my mom about stuff, and then sometimes he talked to me about like college, and I'm like, yeah, like he was asking me about scholarships, and like, yeah, I haven't really looked into that. He's like, oh, you're really behind. Like, hey, college. Well, at least things are after over. I'm not applying to private. No private. So, yeah. That's my airplane story.
Not again. What college are you applying to again?
I'm applying to Berkeley, the Avis, Irvine, and San Diego.
Is it the order that you want them to be?
Oh no, I just put them in order from Northern.
Oh, no, no.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Gina has to have an airport story though.
One time I went to Boston. Well, it was a round trip, yeah, to visit my cousins. So we did a trip to Dallas, Texas, and then Boston. And our family were waiting for us, for us. And they're like, "Come quick, we have seafood and lobster and crab." We're like, oh, yeah! And then we went to Dallas, Texas. It was like, oh, our plane's been delayed because there's a big blizzard in Boston. Like, we're gonna eat all the lobster.
Boston.
I'm like, no. How long is it delayed? 6 hours.
Like a dun dun dun.
It's really dry in Texas. Like, I arrived, I was like, it's Christmas. Why is everything brown?
Racist. You were waiting for a white Christmas instead of a brown Christmas?
It sounds like someone crapping your snap.
Oh. Fine, yellow Christmas. That's pink.
Yeah.
Alright, holding. I got it. It's
Okay.